Hello traders, so I'm back with another video, and in this video we are going to take a trade and I will explain you everything in detail. So first of all, if you are new to this channel, we also have a blog or website where you can read articles related to trading. So if you like to read, you can visit our website once. The link is given in the video description. So let's start taking a trade. As you can see, the market is in the market breaks our previous support level and it's now in a downward direction. It's now moving in a downward direction. So what we will do is we will take trades with the direction of the trend. This will going to be a new trend because there was a breakout. As you can see, it happened like 2 minutes ago. You can see the with a big red candle, big bearish candle, the breakout happened, and so the market will continue to go downward. So the new trend is downtrend and we will take the trade in the downward direction. This is 1 minute candlestick chart and we will going to analyze the same chart, but we will take trades over 4 to 5 minute time frame. So let's start taking trades and I will explain you everything, every step that I will take. So as you can see, market is in downward direction. So what we will do, we will wait for a good candlestick pattern to perform with some price action where at some support or resistance level, and then we will take the trade. So as you can see, we have a trend, downtrend, and these are some resistance level. You can see the wicks, these are showing that there is a resistance, and market is continue and is continuously moving in the downward direction. So we will wait, and as I can see, this is a clear support level, and you can see the bounce from that very level is very strong. So this is a strong level, it is clearly visible. The bounce was really big. So what we will do, we will wait for the market to reach this level, and if there is a good candlestick pattern formation, then we will take the trade in the direction of the retracement, in opposite of the downward trend, because this is a good support level. So as you can see, market is weak. You can see the market is weak here. The momentum is dying, which is a good sign, which is also a confirmation that market may or may not reverse. It depends upon the buyers which will perform at that very level. So as you can see, we got a good sign. The momentum is dying, that's why we find a green candle. We have a green candle here, a bullish candle. Market is again going downward. We will wait for the market to hit this support level, and let's see. This is a good support level. So we have a support level. What we need is a good candlestick pattern, because the price action is been performing, and you can see the market is moving for a very long time in the downward direction. So once in a while it has to reverse for some time. So this is the point where we can expect it to reverse with a good candlestick pattern. So as you can see, the second candle, it is also a sign that there is a pressure from the buying side. What we need is a good candlestick pattern which will give us a confirmation that yes, there are buyers, and this candle is very trustworthy. I can see. Let's see, let this candle finish, and then we will take the trade. So as you can see, okay, it's a good candlestick pattern, and let's wait. Okay, the volume is good, and I will surely going to place the trade with this candlestick pattern. Okay, So we have taken a 4-minute trade with some retracement. Why? Because the pressure was moving for the market was moving for a very long time, creating a pressure that the market has to reverse for some time, which is called retracement. We have a support level here. It was near to the support level. A good candlestick pattern, if you look carefully, these three candlestick patterns suggest only one thing, that there is a buying pressure. This continuous downtrend suggests that market has to reverse for some time. This particular candle suggests the market is full of buyers now. It is at a support level also. So we have completed all the rules. The retracement is there, candlestick pattern, support level is there, the pressure is here, and the price action also. So let's wait for the results. The results will going to come out in the next 3 minutes. Let's wait for the results. So as you can see, it's it's moving slowly, but I'm sure that market will continue to go upward, because this is what it's going to do. We have completed all the rules, and the price action suggests one thing, that market will continue to go upward. So let's wait for some time. It's moving upward. Now why it is reversing is because of that very resistance level, which I have already explained you previously, that market, these wicks are suggesting the resistance, but all the necessary conditions have been fulfilled, and we can trust this setup, that market will continue to go upward for some time. Why I have taken 4-minute trade is because when you are going against the trend, it is difficult for the market to hold it for a very long time. This is by my experience. Previously I was taking 5-minute trades, but when I compared the result, I found out that 4-minute trades works best and gives some extra winning trade. So that's why whenever you are going against a trend, even if you are using the strongest level, just stay on the 4-minute chart, 4-minute time frame, rather than going for the 5-minute. And if you are trading over bigger candlestick time frame, like 1 hour, 4 hour, then you can like expect it to hold it for the next 4 to 5 candles. Okay, this is about the candlestick. You can compare it with higher time frame. The strategy is simple. The candlestick works exactly the same. It doesn't depend on the time frame. So whenever you find good candlestick pattern, they will hold the market for some time according to their time frame. So if you find these kinds of candlestick formation over 1 minute, 1 hour chart, you will see that the market will hold it for the next 4 to 5 hours. And this is for sure, because it works universally same everywhere on every candlestick time frame. This is by my experience. It has not been written anywhere. So as you can see, we have won this trade, and let me explain you again the trading setup. Previously market was in a range, you can see. Now it was ranging, and suddenly it broke through with this strong bearish candle. Market continued to go down, 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 and it started to lose its momentum. When it was losing its momentum, we found a good candlestick pattern, which you can see 1 2 3. These candlestick patterns suggest only one thing, that market wants to go up. We also got a support level. This was the actual support, but we if we go back, okay, we don't have to go back. See, this is the particular support zone, but once because sometimes market is in rush, like buyers or sellers are in rush, so they exit or enter their trade a little bit faster, and that's why it was not able to go up. But if you look carefully, you will find out that there is a whole number that was making it to go, that was creating a strong support level. So this, the point is 1 to 1.050, which is also a whole number, and that's why it was working as a support level. We got good candlestick pattern. We have taken the trade over 4-minute time frame. So as you can see, market was moving. Now it is harder for the market to hold it for very long time. So now the market will reverse. That's why I suggest you to take trades over 4 minutes whenever you are going against the trend. And in the coming videos, I will explain you more so you don't have to worry about. So I will finish this video here, and will make more videos in the coming time. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.